Ever found yourself scrolling through endless insurance websites, feeling like you're lost in a maze of jargon and fine print? You're not alone. Choosing the right insurance, especially life insurance, can be incredibly daunting. It's a big decision, after all. You're thinking about protecting your loved ones, securing their future, and ensuring they're taken care of no matter what. And with so many providers out there, how do you even begin to narrow it down? Today, we're tackling a specific question that many people have. Does Brightway Insurance provide life insurance options? Now, before we dive into Brightway specifically, let's quickly recap why life insurance is so important. It's essentially a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay premiums, and in exchange, the company provides a lump sum payment, known as a death benefit, to your beneficiaries upon your passing. This money can be used for a variety of things, covering funeral expenses, paying off debts like mortgages or student loans, providing income replacement for your family, funding your children's education, and even leaving a legacy for future generations. There are several main types of life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period or term, like 10, 20, or 30 years. It's generally more affordable than other types, making it a popular choice for those on a budget. If you outlive the term, the coverage simply ends. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides lifelong coverage. It also has a cash value component that grows over time, which you can potentially borrow against or withdraw from. However, whole life premiums are typically higher than term life premiums. Universal life insurance is another type of permanent life insurance that offers more flexibility in terms of premium payments and death benefit amounts. It also has a cash value component. So, with that basic understanding of life insurance in mind, let's get back to our main question. Does Brightway Insurance offer life insurance? Brightway Insurance is a national insurance agency that works with a large network of insurance companies. This is a crucial point. They are an agency, not an insurance carrier. This means they don't underwrite the policies themselves. Instead, they act as a broker, connecting you with different insurance providers. This model has some significant advantages. Because Brightway works with multiple carriers, they can offer you a wider range of options and potentially find you the best coverage and rates to fit your specific needs and budget. They can shop around for you, saving you the time and hassle of contacting multiple companies yourself. Now, because Brightway works with a vast network of insurance companies, the answer to our question is a resounding yes. They absolutely do offer life insurance. They can connect you with various life insurance providers offering different types of policies, including term life, whole life, and universal life insurance. They can help you compare quotes from multiple carriers to find the best policy for your individual circumstances. This is where the value of working with an agency like Brightway really shines. Navigating the world of life insurance can be overwhelming. There are so many factors to consider: the amount of coverage you need, the length of the term, the type of policy, your health, your lifestyle, and of course, the cost. A Brightway agent can guide you through this process, explaining the different options, answering your questions, and helping you make an informed decision. They act as your personal insurance advisor, advocating for your best interests. Let's imagine a hypothetical scenario. Let's say you're a young parent with a mortgage and 2 young children. You want to ensure that your family is financially protected if something were to happen to you. You contact Brightway, and an agent works with you to determine your needs. They might recommend a term life insurance policy with a coverage amount sufficient to pay off your mortgage, cover future living expenses for your family, and fund your children's education. The agent would then shop around with multiple insurance carriers to find you the most competitive rates for the desired coverage. Conversely, if you're further along in life and looking for permanent coverage to provide for estate planning or leave a legacy for your heirs, a Brightway agent could help you explore whole life or universal life insurance options. They can explain the cash value component and how it works, helping you understand the long-term benefits of these types of policies. It's important to remember that every individual's needs are unique. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to life insurance. That's why working with an agency like Brightway, which can offer personalized advice and access to multiple carriers, can be so beneficial. Now, Some of you might be wondering about the cost of using an agency like Brightway. Does it add an extra layer of expense? Typically, the answer is no. Insurance agents are usually compensated through commissions paid by the insurance companies. This means you generally don't pay any extra fees for working with an agent. The commission is built into the premium you pay, whether you work with an agent or go directly to the insurance company. In fact, working with an agency like Brightway could potentially save you money. Because they can compare quotes from multiple carriers, they may be able to find you a better deal than you could find on your own. They can also help you understand the different policy options and ensure you're not paying for unnecessary coverage. So, to summarize, Brightway Insurance absolutely does provide access to life insurance options. They act as an independent agency, working with a network of insurance carriers to offer you a wide range of choices. They can help you navigate the complexities of life insurance, providing personalized advice and finding the best coverage and rates for your individual needs. They can offer various types of policies, including term life, whole life, and universal life insurance. And typically, working with an agency like Brightway doesn't cost you anything extra. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.